How to remove SIM card from iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you remove or turn off SIM card from your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that there are two ways to remove or deactivate or turn off the SIM card on your iPhone. That is manually or from the settings. For the manual process, you can directly eject it from the SIM card tray. For that, simply you'll have to just use your SIM card ejector tool, and from there simply you can remove your SIM card. And for the another method, from the settings, first open settings on iPhone. After you open settings, from this interface simply tap on cellular, and from the section cellular you'll have to scroll down and come on the section SIMs. From the SIM section you'll be able to find your every SIM card. From there you'll have to just choose your SIM card whom you want to turn off. Simply tap on that, and from the section of that SIM card simply you'll have to tap on turn on this line. After you tap on that, you'll be able to turn off that. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.